weight outrageously. He walks around at 168 to 173, 74, and we fight at 160 or 165, 168. You know what I'm saying? Right around there, so there's no dramatic looking like you'll fly away when somebody sneezes and then come in on a whole different guy 24 hours later. About 20 to 30 pounds. That is, to me, full-blown cheating. That is bullshit. Not boxing. That's fucking cheating. So you don't get all kind of additives involved in that. Whether it's performance-enhancing drugs or you name it. Who knows? Recreational shit. But we're not into that. So, not condemning you. I'm just telling you, we ain't doing that. We fight at the weight he is originally as a top shape man. So whoever gonna fight this guy gonna fight him, not 30 pounds heavier or 30 pounds lighter. You understand? We differentiate, reality. 7 to 10 pounds is as far as we go up or down, as far as training wise. So we bring you guys this clip. Get serious, because this week, Soul Fighters, the ones that we love, subscribing us, all of you loyal brothers and sisters out there, we're gonna release our tutorials from beginner to expert or professional, however you want to put it. So beginner, intermediate, and pro. We're going to teach you guys how to fight. What is the 5 basic punches in boxing, your range, your footwork, and we're going to solve problems of yours. Whoever has problems with doing some of the moves, or some problems with somebody out there making trouble with you, or problems losing belly fat, or problems not enough wind to walk your dog. We're going to address all that. Okay, so stick around, because when we say Soul Fighters, we actually mean it. We fight from the soul through heavy-duty experiences, bringing our life experiences, tragic stuff into positive blessings, yeah? So, from nightmare to blessings, we tying in life to the ring. So you can kind of see physically what's going on spiritually with everybody or yourself, how to look for that window. Heavy stuff, guys, especially in this day and age. Heavy stuff. But more important than anything in the world, when you're dealing with the soul, right? Because that doesn't die. We don't die. But we want to know where we're going. And we don't know what to do, and recognize the spiritual warfare as well as the physical. Having fun, showing your talent, making a living, helping others. That's where we're coming from. And you got 10 seconds, Isaiah. That's your 5-minute round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Soul Fighters signing out.